I don't have his. I don't think. We're not like talking on
Uncle
Discord.
Runwalk. There we go.
I do remember the response. He said, "Wow, this is the best application we've ever gotten."
I just thank you. I
Sound
saw
like
your whisper after I found it. Thank you. I know that was probably painful to watch.
Yeah, bow down, bitches. Bow down. Dude, this is badass with me and Nicholas walking behind you like some fucking
posse, dude.
Yeah.
Dude, look at this. I got my gear on, okay?
Go piss in the fountain. You're the fucking Assbringer.
It's pretty cool. This is pretty good. I like it.
I am unworthy, sir.
Hey, Cho.
What's up?
Do you still need battle for Darrowshire?
Yeah,
Weren't the Scarlet Crusade like crazy racist?
I need battle for Darrowshire.
Pretty sure that's all humans in WoW. But
Yeah. So they're like bowing down to this big old fucking cow, and they're like, "Well, he's not my president, but he's our president." Like, it's that moment.
They're saying, "Take me with you, sir."
All right. See you guys later.
Bye.
See you, Ryan.
You don't have movement speed on your boots? I think I'm catching up on you.
I do. Come on now. On the tanking set, I do. Look at this. Look at this. Steal all their shit. Full dreadnought, baby. Oh my god.
I never got the pants, dude. I've been up for them for fucking 4 weeks.
Yes, paint. You know, well, you never really use them, but
I just wanted I just wanted it for the set at that point. Like it's the one piece from 9 out of 9.
Well,
Do they open the doors for you? Don't the?
No, they do. I didn't even think
That's
about that.
so
That's
cool.
pretty cool.
Someone mind visioning me?
Wait, don't stop, Nicholas. I'm trying to line up with you. Stop stopping. Just keep going. What are you doing?
Oh, you
keep fucking it up. Literally, I'm like lining up with you, and then you stop as soon as I line
I
up.
thought you were. Oh, I think I was trying.
You were
to
saying
think.
stop stopping, but you weren't saying it in sequence. So it was like stop stopping, stop stop.
Stop the bottom stairs. Oh.
Thought he does.
White game doesn't come out.
I thought White Bean.
You
I have no idea.
Don't
I
you have
had
to
never
go to
watched
the other
video for
side?
this.
Now unequip it, and let's slay them.
uh,
I don't think it works.
no. Come this way. Come this way. Come this way.
No, there's a person behind you. Walk.
Oh, dude, turn around, turn around.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Bro, in Dreadnought.
Father.
Forgot to bring sapper charges. Whoops.
Forgiveness. Did you guys see what that spellcast was named?
No.
He casted forgiveness on him and zapped his son and killed him.
I was hoping it was Gnomish Death Ray.
Little Easter egg. Yeah. All right, no more white mane.
That's what it looks like.
Bummer.
Let's
Hey,
go.
Rex,
To
bro.
let's go to the back door.
That's
The back.
clear.
Yeah, go find the undead
Fairbanks.
yeah, Fairbanks.
Oh
He's a
yeah, you
sharp one.
can't use Devastate with a two-hander. Lame. Gotta respect. Guess I'm not going to AQ tomorrow. I'm gonna go.
Damn,
do
that
some
sword's
PvP.
cool though.
Fucking huge.
Dude, you can do the trash resets as fucking MS. Whatever.
I said I would tank, but yeah. All right, yeah, fuck it.
I'm not staying for the whole thing. I'm gonna do GKPs. Fuck that.
How many does he even need?
Oh, this guy's friendly too. Does he have a voice line?
You should talk to him.
Oh, you cleansed.
Oh, what the fuck?
You lifted his curse, dude. What a nice guy. The Amber Keeper's bright as fuck. Holy shit.
I don't know
Is he
what other
saying shit to you?
weapons I should have. Oh,
Yeah.
let me try some other weapons. Hold on, I have something else.
Look at this fucking enchant. What a joker.
It's not enchanted.
Does this look better?
Please put Unholy on it.
You haven't been
I was
carrying
gonna put
around
Lifestealing,
enchanting
but
mats for
Unholy
it?
probably is better.
Holy
I
would look
did for
sick
3
on it.
raids, but for the most, to be totally honest, I didn't have bag space.
Yeah, I was totally carrying around mats for the two-hand enchant. I needed that hit. So
You still
I have
talk to
Naruba's
you?
amazing during pre-patch because of the
Yeah.
extra
Well,
hit you
it's,
get.
I mean, I'm reading slowly.
Okay. I thought he just had like a bunch of shit he was saying to you or something.
There is. It's a very long thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can you-
And Kaladin's the only one that can see it.
Well, it's in the stream, but
Their names, I could tell you some lore about them. I read the books.
Oh my gosh, someone asked me if I got a spot for SM.
That guy Vegeta's whispering you about symbols.
Yup.
Cal just links him Assbringer and says, "Sorry, they're all friendly." He's been waiting to say that for a while.
Kage,
Kage, you ruined.
Rip RP.
what is he doing?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's
That
getting
for the scraps. Oh.
Bro, I got 5 bag slots. Delete.
Are your balls blue right now?
You just broke the immersion.
Honestly, just a little bit. Where's the cloth scraps? Used them all. Oh, now I gotta click through it all again.
Did Cal go AFK?
No, he's reading the lore.
Trying to read the war, you're trading him and breaking the immersion, dog.
My bad, bro. I didn't know he was fucking talking to the dude. I didn't even know you could do this shit.
Neither did I. Thank God Miklos was here. I would have fucking left.
Good lord. This man wanted this weapon. He didn't even know what it did.
Is it
Because
is
he
it
didn't want to be.
Bro, I'm trying to give you guys a real taste of what Classic is supposed to be.
It's
or
what
sorry,
it is
vanilla.
supposed to be.
I don't think.
I mean, I
anyone-
didn't read the lore thing. I just was like, oh, I just saw it in a YouTube
Pretty sure
thumbnail.
that when this was out in Classic, everyone thought that the corrupted Assbringer was fake, and that people were just like making up items and putting them in the like WoW guide thing, like because no one ever saw it. Like everyone thought it was a huge meme, like fake thing.
You
No,
guys,
I remember when the moment that the first corrupted Assbringer dropped, and everybody thought you could cleanse it.
yeah, that was
and
a
turn
big
it
thing.
into
In the
real
lake,
ass
they trying to
bringer?
find it in the lake. Yeah, like or something
Yep.
in the lake, right?
Yep.
Well,
and
they-
then when someone walked into SM and met all this RP that's going on that you guys are watching, like it blew my mind. My, whatever it was, 2008
Yeah, the
or
freaking
whatever.
4 online. I remember watching like little 20, 40 pixel video of the guy walking through SM.
They had so much bait that made it look like you could cleanse it and turn it into a legendary, and I'm pretty sure they intended to, but never added it.
There were definitely data files for the cleansed Ashbringer.
Because people were like waiting for the cleansed Assbringer before the corrupted Assbringer was even put into the game.
Correct.
Oh, this guy sends you to the fucking Outland, bro. What? It's pretty fucking sick. All right.
So
Fuck yeah, that was cool as shit. I'm happy as a fucking kid in a candy store.
We're walking back.
Nah, fuck that. Portal.
Oh,
Who's
no,
21st
no.
century?
No, no, no.
Hit me with
Flying-
some scraps,
wait,
bro.
Fly into
What?
Light's Hope now.
yeah, good lay hope.
No.
All right, where
it
we
once.
going?
Org, please.
I
I'll
can
hit
pour
me
you
with
there.
some scraps.
How do I get a dark portal? I have to buy the
Yes.
special edition.
Yeah.
You have to not be poor.
All right, who has Unholy?
I probably do.
Interlude does, but he's not here anymore. The fuck, I still have his RP walk.